what if one API key worked across every AI model or service you use in your workflows? In this video, we'll walk through 4 simple steps to set up your wallet and to start building your first AI workflow in n8n. Let's jump in. First, register at agnicpay.xyz using your email. It is very simple. Once you sign up, you'll receive a non-custodial wallet. This wallet allows you to pay for multiple LLM services and APIs from one place, while keeping full control over your funds. Next, head to your wallet and apply for $5 in free credit. Fill out the short form, and within 24 hours, you'll receive a confirmation email, along with an invitation to n8n. This gives you instant access to start building and testing workflows at no upfront cost. Now it's time to create your universal API key. Inside your wallet, press the New Connection button. You can set spending limits per transaction, per day, or per month, so everything stays under control. This single universal API key works across hundreds of AI models and different APIs you need in your n8n workflows. Finally, open the n8n link you received and start building your workflow. Use the Agnic chat model as your AI agent's brain. You can choose any state-of-the-art language model and switch between them instantly without changing your workflow. You're only charged after each call. No lock-in, no model migration, no credit card required. That's it. You now have a flexible, future-proof AI workflow that grows with your needs.